What's up, y'all? This is Erika of the Double Stitch Twins, and it's story time. So we were reminiscing about our artist residency in St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands in 2016. Our homegirl and photographer, Chelsea, was the facilitator. Prior to the trip, we had heard about an agricultural and cultural vegan food fair and decided we wanted to participate. Unfortunately, no one ever picked up the phone or answered our emails, so we figured we just have to wait until we arrived and we can talk to someone then. Once we got settled in, we walked around to see the sights and we stumbled upon a vegan restaurant and then a boutique. The boutique had some really nice clothes and we picked out a few items while we waited for the owner to finish up her phone call. She seemed to be having an intense conversation on the phone and we didn't want to bother her. But once she was done, she came over to us and apologized for not paying attention to us. She was just overwhelmed with some stuff she was going through regarding a fashion show that she was doing this weekend. We asked her about the event and lo and behold, it was the same event that we had been trying to get in touch with. We told her that we were fashion designers and that we were having a hard time getting in touch with the people, and without blinking, she immediately told us that we can come with her boutique to the event. She hadn't seen our clothing or anything. She just happily extended the invitation. So we showed her some of our designs and she was very, very happy. She said she loved everything. So we told her we wanted to have a fashion show, but we didn't have any models or anything. And she said, no problem. Just come a little early and talk to people and ask some people to walk for us in a fashion presentation. So that's what we did. We met beautiful women of all shapes, sizes, and ages. So we produced a fun and flirty crochet fashion show, and at the end, we announced that anyone that wanted to learn to crochet could meet us at the Arts and Crafts booth. By the time we made it over to the Arts and Crafts booth, there were already students waiting for their crochet lesson, and the fair had provided everything we needed, yarn, hooks, and all. Don't get me wrong, we never had any doubt that everything would go well. It was just nice to see how everything unfolded. Not only did we meet some wonderful people, but we got a chance to try some delicious vegan food. And we pretty much forgot about how difficult it was to get in touch with the facilitators of the fair. We just threw caution to the wind and had a good time. All in all, the trip was a total inspiration and a testament to the relaxed nature and culture of the beautiful people of St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands.